The aerodrome traffic circuit consists of 5 segments and 4 turns. It is normally used by aircraft flying under VFR. The two main features defining the circuit are the runway and the turn direction. Circuits can be left-hand or right-hand. In a left-hand circuit, all turns are made to the left only, and in the right-hand circuit, all the turns are made towards right. When the traffic circuit is in a right-hand pattern, this should be specified. A left-hand pattern need not to be specified, it's a default one, but it is advisable to specify the circuit pattern. Here we have shown an example of a left-hand aerodrome traffic circuit for runway 09. Controller instruction for circuit joining: Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie. After departure, climb 2000 feet, join, left and downwind runway 09, report joining. The upwind leg is sometimes called departure, as this is in the path of aircraft after becoming airborne. Crosswind is perpendicular leg segment after the departure leg, and it will turn to the beginning of downwind leg. The downwind leg is the segment when the aircraft is flying parallel to the runway but in the opposite direction of landing. As per the reporting procedures, when the aircraft is abeam the upwind end of the runway, aircraft shall report downwind. Base lag. It is the phase of flight where the aircraft turns at a right angle from the downwind to head towards the final leg. Unlike downwind, the base lag cannot be extended. Therefore, controller intervention is limited to the point the aircraft starts the turn onto the base leg. After that moment, the distance to touchdown is fixed. As per the reporting procedure, aircraft shall report base lag on completion of the turn onto base leg. Final leg is where the aircraft is lined up when the runway and it is getting ready for touchdown. Final aircraft shall report final after completion of the turn onto the final approach, not more than 4 nautical miles from the approach end of the runway. There is a provision for extension of downwind. The length of the downwind leg may vary depending on the circumstances. The controller may instruct a pilot to extend in order to achieve the necessary spacing between aircraft. Here, the red aircraft, which is shown in number 2 for landing, will continue on the downwind leg if controller is saying to extend the downwind, so that adequate spacing with the blue number 1 for landing is achieved. Thereafter, as per the reporting procedures, aircraft will report long finals when it is 8 nautical mile straight in from the approach end of the runway, and shall report final when it is 4 nautical mile from the approach end of the runway.